You know what happens when you press subscribe? I can show more material just like this. Glow in the Dark Pavers by Glow Pavers. Fantastic. Press subscribe. Holy cow, can you believe it? There's now glow in the dark pavers. This is awesome. Can you imagine if this was... Now it goes dark. Whoa. Way too funny. But the glow in the dark pavers did not go dark. So imagine these all the way around the perimeter of your project with glow in the dark pavers. From start to finish, this would be fantastic. You wouldn't have to worry about low voltage lights. Your friends and family, as they drive up, would be safe. Anyway, something new, something fantastic, something to try. Definitely give me a call, 714-588-8634. Glow in the Dark Pavers. Fantastic. Dave Pratt, 714-588-8634. I'm out. Press subscribe.